Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you the best animal company promo codes. This is going to allow you to get tons of free company coins, cosmetics, and even get research points. You can even get a mod menu as well. This is a working animal company promo code list, so these are working right now in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other animal company YouTube videos. And yeah, I've managed to find probably the best promo codes for animal companies. So make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for new promo codes, and let's not waste any more time. So as you can see, I've been searching Google and also YouTube, but you do need to use your mobile phone just to obtain these promo codes, and then you can redeem them in the animal company game. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, Crash Coupons. And let's go ahead, type that in. And if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to this game code website. And they have lots and lots of pages, as you can see. Not only VR games, they have pretty much every console game, and even stuff like Netflix, Roblox, and that. So use the search bar, and in there, I'm just going to type in Animal Company. Make sure you can actually type, and it should pop up here. Now, there are 5 verified promo codes. As you can see, these are really popular. You can get all skins. You can get 100 free research points, 25,000 free company coins, access a secret mod menu, and unlock all items. So for this example, I'm just going to select the free company coins code, 25,000 of them. So this is absolutely awesome. And this is a simple promo code working right now in 2026 that you can redeem in the Animal Company computer. So you enter it into the redeem code part of the game. And as you can see, you need to unlock your Animal Company promo code. This is simply because these are limited codes. There's 372 coupons left. So I've already done this, so I don't want to waste a code for this video, guys, but you need to click on the get full code button, and it's going to bring you to a new page. It's going to tell you how to unlock your Animal Company promo code. It will take you a few minutes, but once you fully complete a couple of these easy peasy tasks, your code will be revealed here, and then you can grab it, redeem it in the Animal Company computer. So you just type it in, guys, and that is going to give you free company coins, but they do have these other ones as well. Go to Crash Coupons. If you need any help, let me know, guys, but it is pretty easy. This is a no PC method of using these promo codes, because you can literally just use your mobile phone to obtain the codes and then enter them in game. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.